Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay and this is Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look using the Beetles pre-made ombre nail tips. If you would like to see how I achieved this, then please continue to watch. Here I have the gel tips that I purchased off of Amazon. There is 150 pieces and 15 sizes available. I was really intrigued by this nail design, being that sometimes ombre is one of the main designs that I tend to struggle with, even though it's super simple, but I also wanted something very clean. This is what it looks like outside of the packaging. I will be using the Beetles nail glue for nail tips. Per the packaging, they did recommend adhering these nail tips with gel glue and curing it for 60 to 90 seconds. Here I'm just sizing out the nail tips, and as you can see, my nails are a bit shiny. That's because I put on a peel-off base coat, because some of the main questions I receive from people is, can you actually cure through these nails? How do you know that the adhesive or the gel isn't still uncured underneath? So that was the point of me doing the peel-off base coat, so that I can show you guys that the gel is able to be fully cured through these gel tips. After I've sized all of the tips to my nail beds, I will be going in with the gel glue and applying that at the base of each tip. I'm doing a pretty thin layer and then just putting some additional glue at the very base of the nail. My application technique is to press back towards the cuticle and then allow that glue to flow forward and flash cure it for about 10 to 15 seconds. And for the rest of the nails, I'm going to just speed it up a bit, and it's just going to be me repeating the step for each nail. Now I'm done with the application of all the nails. I honestly love the way that these look. I love how clean it is around the cuticle. I'm next going to go ahead and cure all of the nails in my big lamp for 60 seconds. To clean up my nails, I'm using a 100/180 file, and you'll see right where you break the nail tip off, there's still a bit of gel at the very tip of the nail. So I'm just cleaning that up, making sure that my shape is the same for each nail. Next, I'm going to top coat all of the nails using the Beetles top coat. Once I'm done applying the top coat, I'm just going to cure the nails for 60 seconds in my big lamp. And the final step is to apply some cuticle oil and show you guys the finished product. Alrighty, you guys, and here is the finished product. Of course, if you watched till the end of this video, you want to see how I was able to pop off these nails using my peel-off base coat, and also to show you guys that the gel adhesive was able to successfully cure all the way through the nail. That way you do not have any uncured adhesive sitting on your natural nail bed. So you see here, I'm just popping it up with a cuticle pusher. That part was a little bit too much adhesive on that side, so it was not ideal trying to get it off, but I did this for you guys. And you see there, my nail is dry. The inside of the tip is completely cured. I'm zooming in for you guys, and there is no wet adhesive at all. It's completely matte. What I'm scraping at right there is just the peel-off base coat. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.